Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi, and then we can enter the Play Store. Right now we have to tap on this 3 bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all updates pending, and as you can see, we've got quite a lot of options. If you would like to check the information about a particular update, just tap on it, on this arrow actually, and as you can see here, you've got the info, maybe not in this case, but let's check here. And as you can see, you can check what the update contains. So if you would like to update all of those apps, and just tap on update all, but if you'd like to update only one of it or 2 of them, just find it and tap on update right next to it. So let me update, for example, Gmail. Let's update, and as you can see, it immediately disappears, but no worries, it appears at the very top of the list. Right now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and updated. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.